Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI, and you are going to have so much fun decorating with these adventure themed stickers. This 50 pack of stickers have lovely and vivid glossy colors, and they hold true to the adventure travel theme. They come in a really nice variety of shapes as well. So if you got items that need a little something extra, these stickers would be a great addition, let's say to your water bottle, your laptop, or anything that you kind of want to add your personal touch to. I'm decorating this old box with stickers that I've collected over the years. I love the look of a collage, and these stickers from QTL are such a great addition. And because they're waterproof, from this waterproof film, you can adorn your water bottles and even your bumper if you so desire. I think if you have an outdoorsy friend, they would absolutely love this as a thoughtful gift idea. My brother is into the whole van life, so I know he would like a bunch of these stickers. These adorable stickers from QTL are a great way to express your adventurous outdoorsy side, and that's my point of view.